Welcome to the fourth part of this multiplication of these two-digit numbers. And for this time, we are going to use the Napier method of multiplication. This was invented by John Napier, and the other term for this is the lattice multiplication. Now let's do this. So if we have 32 times 21, first you draw a grid, this one, and then you write 32, 3, 2, and then 21, 2, 1, and then you draw diagonals from here before doing the multiplication, and then you multiply now. This is, you can start here, 2 times 2, that is 4, so you write 0, 4. 1 times 2, that is 2, you write 0, 2. And from here, for this part here, you multiply 3 times 2, that is 6, so you will write 0, 6. And then for this part here, you multiply 1 and 3, that is 0, 3. And then add. So this one here makes 2. For this part here, that's 4 plus 0 plus 3 makes 7. And for this part here, that's 0 plus 6 plus 0 is 6. So the answer is 672.